Hey everyone, a lot of us have the indie game dev dream where we make our own game, publish it on Steam, sell millions of copies and retire. But the problem is, most of us don't know where to start. There's literally thousands of hours of content out there, and you need to master a variety of skills like game development, art design, sound design, etc. It's really frightening. But then Malcolm Gladwell in his book Outlier said that it takes 10,000 hours for a person to achieve mastery of complex skills. And there's a Chinese proverb which says that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So this is my single step. This is my first step actually. So over here in this channel, I'll be learning everything from scratch, from game development to art and sound design. And I'll be starting off with this Udemy course right here, the complete C# Unity Game Developer 2D course by Game Dev TV. I mentioned the link below in case you guys are interested in checking it out. So ensure to check back here regularly on what I've learned and what progress I've made, and I'll see you all on the other side of the $10,000.